In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume in Canva. By the end, you will have a clean resume ready to send with your job applications. Start by opening Canva. If you are already logged in, you will land on your main dashboard with recent designs and a search bar near the top. If you see a different page, just wait a moment for Canva to load fully, since the dashboard can take a second on a slower connection. Once Canva is open, click Create a Design. You will find this button near the top right corner, usually in a bright color so it stands out. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears, and you might also see a small search field there. From here, search for resume. Type the word resume into the search box that appears, then wait a moment. Canva will show a list of design types, and you should see resume appear as one of the options. Click the resume result so Canva opens the template gallery for that format. Now choose a resume template you like. Scroll through the options and pay attention to how much text each layout comfortably holds. A common beginner mistake is choosing a design that looks pretty but has too many decorative elements and not enough room for experience. Pick a template where your work history and skills will fit without feeling cramped. Once you have picked your favorite, click Customize this template. Canva will open the editor with your chosen template in the center and panels around it for pages and tools. You will see placeholder text like sample names, job titles, and dummy paragraphs in each section. Next, replace the sample information with your own. Start with your name and contact information at the top. Add a professional summary or objective that briefly explains who you are and what role you want. Fill in your work experience, listing your most recent role first. Then add your education details, like degrees and schools. Add a skills section with relevant technical and soft skills. If you have certifications or other relevant sections, update those areas too. Take your time here, because every bit of placeholder text should either be replaced or removed so nothing generic remains. After your information is in place, click the text to change the font, size, and color. When you select any text box, a toolbar appears above the design with font options. You can pick a new font family, adjust the size so headings stand out, and choose colors that keep everything readable. A useful tip is to keep body text a dark color on a light background so it prints clearly. Now replace or remove unnecessary graphics, photos, and icons. If the template has decorative shapes that distract from your information, select them and press delete. You can keep simple icons that label sections if they match your style. The moment you delete an element, the layout updates so you can see exactly how much cleaner the page looks. With the content and visuals in place, check that your spacing and alignment are consistent. Look at the left margin and make sure all section titles line up. Check that bullet points start at the same position and that there is even space between sections. Small alignment fixes make the resume look more professional than changing fonts again. When you are happy with the layout, click Share, then Download. The Share button is in the top right corner. After you click it, choose Download from the menu and a settings window will open. Finally, choose PDF Standard for online applications or PDF Print if you need a higher quality printed copy. PDF Standard creates a smaller file that is easier to upload to job sites. PDF Print keeps more detail for sharp printing on paper. Click the Download button and Canva prepares the file and saves it to your computer. You have just created a polished resume in Canva and downloaded it as a ready-to-use PDF. If this helped you get your resume ready, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more Canva tips.